To other news now. One day after its implementation, the government says at least one measure in the new Road Traffic Act is to be reviewed by the National Road Safety Council. With the new Road Traffic Act now in effect, there are renewed concerns about some of the laws to be enforced. At a town hall meeting in Port Maria St. Mary on Wednesday, taxi operators raised their grouses with several, including the requirement for small children on taxis.
We cannot have very small children dangling about. Child restraint systems are to be used.
Assistant Commissioner of Police Gary McKenzie explained that drivers may choose to get car seats for their vehicles, as if a child is not in one, the driver will be prosecuted. The drivers sought clarification.
I saw something this morning said taxi operator must outfit vehicle with child seat. So I don't think he's asking the question properly. You are saying that they can, but this article said it must.
The article is written that way to say that it must be present in the vehicle, right? And I am saying that if each parent provides that, then you will have it. If they do not, right, then that's a problem for you, because if you can transport the child without a child restraint system, a child that cannot be properly secured via seatbelt, then you are the person that the police will prosecute.
The drivers insist that this requirement is an unjust expense to them. A quick check online showed car seats being sold for up to $25,000 each. This means a driver that transports toddlers to school each morning may have to spend up to $100,000 to have 4 child seats installed. It's part of the reason the transport operators have been demanding a review of the requirement. That demand seemed to have caught the ear of the government, as Thursday afternoon, Information Minister Robert Morgan, in a series of tweets, stated that the government had taken note of the public concern and that the National Road Safety Council will be monitoring and providing oversight of the implementation. Speaking specifically to the requirement of the child seat restraint system, Mr. Morgan pointed out that that provision was first incorporated in the Road Traffic Act in 2001 after being deliberated by a joint select committee of Parliament. In light of this update, it's not clear how or if this measure will continue to be enforced, as the National Road Safety Council's next meeting is scheduled for Thursday, February 9, where the Prime Minister will consider the first review.